Welcome to my YouTube channel, General Mind. Today, our topic is decoding animal consciousness. What do animals really know? Animals are all around us and they live among us. For thousands of years, people have wondered what animals know and whether they're aware of their surroundings. In recent years, we've come to realize that animals aren't just simple creatures that react to their environment. They actually have a lot going on in their heads. But how much do they really know? Are they self-aware? Can they feel emotions? And do they have thoughts like humans? These are some of the questions that researchers are trying to answer as they study animal consciousness. Their findings are shedding light on the inner lives of animals and helping us to understand what it means to be conscious. Some animals can recognize themselves in the mirror. Mirror self-recognition, or MSR, is a way to see if an animal has self-awareness. Basically, if an animal can look at itself in the mirror and realize that it's itself, then it probably has some level of self-awareness. It's been suggested that this ability needs a certain level of intelligence because it shows that the animal understands that it is an individual separate from others. This means that they can think about themselves from an outside perspective. A lot of animals can't pass the mirror test, which shows that they don't have the same kind of self-awareness that humans do. But some animals like dolphins, African gray parrots, magpies, and apes can recognize themselves in the mirror. This suggests that these animals have a more complex understanding of themselves and their place in the world. Researchers are still working to figure out exactly what self-awareness looks like in different species. And some people question whether the mirror test is the right way to measure it. But the fact that some animals can recognize themselves in the mirror shows that consciousness in the animal kingdom is more complex than we used to think. Elephants have excellent memories and can remember people they've met before. This ability shows that elephants have a kind of consciousness that lets them remember important things from their past and use them in the present. Elephants have great memories, which help them recognize people they've met before. They also have the ability to empathize with others and mourn when they lose a friend or family member. These traits show that elephants have a high level of consciousness and may even have feelings similar to humans. Dogs can feel emotions like happiness, sadness, fear, and anger, just like humans. Some researchers say that dogs' feelings are simpler than ours, but that's not true. Recent studies show that dogs experience emotions in the same way as humans. Dogs are very good at understanding human emotions and responding to them appropriately. They can tell when their owners are happy, and will often try to make them feel better if they are sad. Dogs can also be taught to help people with mental health problems by sensing their emotions and offering comfort when needed. Dogs' ability to sense and respond to human emotions shows that they have a high level of consciousness and empathy. Cats are independent and mysterious, but they can also be very affectionate and playful. Like dogs, cats can feel a wide range of emotions, including happiness, fear, and anger. Cats purr when they are happy and will often need their paws on soft surfaces to show their satisfaction. When they're scared, they might hide or try to climb up high to get away from whatever they're afraid of. If they feel threatened, they may hiss, growl, or even scratch or bite. The way cats act shows that they have a high level of consciousness and can feel emotions in the same way humans do. Birds can be very social animals who live in groups and interact with each other in complex ways. Some birds can even recognize themselves in the mirror, which shows that they have a high level of consciousness. Birds have a wide range of emotions, just like other animals. They can be happy when they find food or sad when they lose a friend. They can also be scared or angry when they're in danger. Researchers have found that some birds, like crows and jays, have a kind of consciousness that lets them plan for the future. They can remember where food is hidden and go back to find it later. They can also use tools to get food and have been seen using sticks to dig for ants and even using pieces of string to catch fish. Birds' ability to plan ahead and use tools shows that they have a high level of consciousness and intelligence. Cephalopods like octopuses, squid, and cuttlefish are very smart. Not only are they self-aware, but they also have great memories and can learn new things. Octopuses have been observed using tools such as coconut shells to hide in and protect themselves from predators. They can also solve mazes and puzzles to get food, and have even been seen playing with their food before eating it. Squid and cuttlefish are also very smart. They can change color and texture to camouflage themselves and hunt their prey. They can also learn to recognize their owners and seem to enjoy interacting with humans. Cephalopods' intelligence and ability to learn and remember show that they have a high level of consciousness and awareness of their surroundings. Bees are important for the environment because they pollinate plants as they collect nectar and pollen. Bees live in groups called colonies, which can have thousands of members. They communicate with each other through dances that tell other bees where to find food. Bees are also able to learn new tasks and pass on what they've learned to other bees in the colony. This shows that bees have a high level of consciousness and awareness of their surroundings. They also have excellent memories, which help them remember where food sources are and how to get there. This ability allows them to gather food for the colony and ensure its survival. Bees' intelligence and ability to work together in a colony show that they have a high level of consciousness and awareness of their surroundings. Rats are often seen as pests, but they're actually very smart and can learn new tricks just like dogs. Rats have excellent memories and can remember where food is hidden. They're also very good at solving mazes and puzzles to get what they want. Rats have been shown to have emotions like fear and pain, and they can feel happy when they get what they want. They're also capable of empathy and have been seen comforting other rats who are in distress. Rats' intelligence and ability to feel emotions show that they have a high level of consciousness and awareness of their surroundings. In conclusion, the animal kingdom is full of creatures who are more aware than we think. From elephants and dogs to bees and rats, animals have a lot going on in their heads. As we learn more about animal consciousness, we all have a better understanding of the world around us and the creatures who share it with us. So keep asking questions and exploring the natural world, and you never know what you might find. Maybe one day you'll make a discovery that changes everything we know about animal consciousness. Until then, keep learning and stay curious. Who knows? You might just be the one to unlock the secrets of the animal mind. Thank you for watching this episode. If you liked it, please like and share. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Your support helps us continue producing quality content. Once again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.